broke down his grandmother's door, and his safe was open, and there was marijuana there. There was money, and they took everything.
Well, she was
How is it that you had a safe with marijuana and the cash in it?
No,
He has a really bad habit.
it wasn't like that, sir. That's how they put it, because they wanted to make it seem like it was drug related.
So their intention in raiding your house was to catch your grandmother doing something? Grandma? Really?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, what were you up to, really?
It wasn't.
I'm assuming whatever it was, you've already done the time.
Your Honor, I smoked marijuana.
I'm suspecting you more than smoke marijuana. I'm suspecting you sell marijuana. And that explains why you expected to flip the money, $540 in 3 months, because you were gonna sell it and make her the money back. Okay. Were you selling anything else?
No, because they didn't find anything. They only found. They found.
Please tell me that when you finally got to court, you did not testify. Please tell me that you took the fifth and did not take the stand. Because you're a horrible witness. You could have, life for marijuana. They would give you life for marijuana possession.
Coming up next, are Kareem's bad boy ways on
The first couple of months, Kareem was like, oh, you don't have to have me here in jail. They'll do, oh, I'm going to turn my life around, blah, blah, blah.
I used to say that everybody who said the jail finds Jesus.
Exactly.
It's time for America to vote on today's case. Who do you think I should rule for? The plaintiff or the defendant?
Call toll-free 1-800-282-2333 to vote now and find out how the rest of America votes. You will also receive some valuable offers. Call 1-800-282-2333 now.
Back to school means back to busy mornings. That's why I got them Pillsbury Toaster Strudel. Warm, flaky pastry with delicious, sweet filling my kids will love.
Yeah.
Plus, I get 2 box tops for their school. Toaster Strudel, the one kids want to eat. It can happen anywhere. That itch you can't scratch, embarrassing odor, you don't feel like yourself. Vagisil medicated wipes relieve itch, odor, even cleansing. Fast. Be the woman you want to be 100% of the time. Vagisil.
Oh, do you know what our favorite part of the loops is? 3, 2, 1. Overtime.
Tell your neighbors. Tell your friends.
Leonard.
The Big Bang Theory is coming.
Debbie.
Honey.
That's just wrong. 5 nights a week this fall. Driven by your Northeast Ohio Ford stores.
Rushed by a truck, she turned to Team LGM.
Team LGM was wonderful.
We owe reckless drivers and bad trucking companies countless.
Team LGM.
Make my team your team. Many people who actually deserve Social Security disability, workers' comp, or long-term disability benefit. When